Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the actual audio file. You need a downloader that extracts the audio stream directly, not a screen rip. Choose 320 kbps or a 48K HZ export because FL Studio prefers high-quality sources. This keeps transients and stereo info intact. Once the file is saved, move it to a simple folder you can find from FL. Make sure the file name is short and has a standard extension like MP3 or M4A. This avoids import hiccups later. Once done with download, convert to WAV for stable editing. Use 48K HZ or 44. 1K HZ depending on your project. You do this because WAV retains waveform fidelity. FL handles it faster and without recompression issues. Next, trim leading silence and normalize peaks to roughly -6 dB to preserve headroom. If you know the BPM, rename the file to include it. This helps when aligning clips. Finally, add a start marker so you can drag the prepared WAV into FL Studio's playlist or browser. Place it on its own track so you can edit non-destructively. Then match it to your project tempo. Use the time stretch tool, Edison slicing, or the audio clip properties to lock to the grid. This ensures loops and hits stay musical. When finished, set routing to a dedicated mixer track, add gentle EQ and gain staging, and export stems or a single bounce. If something goes wrong, check sample rate mismatch and resample accordingly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.